So they want my independent and dependent variables. Remember, the dependent variable depends on the independent one. So, and define them. So n is my independent variable. I can tell because I'm doing things to n to find c of n. So n is my independent variable. And it says the equation models the situation. Oh, so if I look at what's happening here, the number of people going is going to determine how much it costs. So n is number of people. The dependent variable c is the total cost. The domain. And I think I forgot to put part C in here where it asks you to write inequalities for that. The domain, well, nobody could go, or they could have up to 32 people on the bus, so 0 to 32. In this case, if I say nobody goes, then my range would be 0 to start with. A lot of times we have some starting value of $25, but I'm not going to pay for parking if nobody has gone. So it's not like that profit idea where I paid all of this money for my startup fees whether or not I actually sell anything. In this case, if nobody goes, I don't even pay for the $25 for parking. The maximum would be the $25 for parking, and it's going to cost me $22.50 for each person, and I can't take more than 32 people. So if I do that, 25 plus 22.50, let me get that punched in my calculator, times the 32, I end up with $745. Now I think I cut off the part here where it asked you to write inequalities for that. So my domain, 0 is less than or equal to n, which is less than or equal to 32, and my range, 0 is less than or equal to c, is less than or equal to 745.